What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from Weldtech Designs, and today is Tuesday, so you know what that means is I'm going to bring you another killer Ford Transit build by the guys over here at Weldtech Designs. So without further ado, let's jump into what we did. This thing is rad, and this is a shorty. So now it's like as high as it is short. I think it's super proportionate. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think of it. And now I'm going to tell you what we did here at Weldtech Designs. Well, you might be surprised, but this van actually came into the shop and it already had another person's lift on it. Well, sometimes we build on their kits and sometimes we just replace them with ours. On this one, we replaced it with our kit, and we went to a full 5 inches of lift on this short transit right here. So we did our lower control arm and our spindle on there to get us all that lift. Also added a set of BILSTEIN shocks to the front of it. I mean, gosh, guys, that's really, really simple. Now, I do want to tell you one other thing. If you're thinking about doing a lift like this on your van, typically, I'm not a huge fan of these BILSTEIN shocks. They give you a little bit more lift, yes, but what I've noticed is they also throw out the camber slightly, which I'm not a big fan of. I kind of think they're a little bit too stiff, but hey, guys, that's just my opinion. What do I know? So on this, what we did have to do is run adjustable lower ball joints in order to correct that camber, which of course is not a big deal, but it does add another cost into the kit. So just something to keep in mind when you're thinking about how you want to build out your 2-wheel drive Ford Transit. So pretty nice. On the front of this, there's also something that you don't see a whole bunch here at Weldtech Designs. It's gonna be the black RHINO wheels. We don't do a lot of these. Usually we're always doing the methods. So I like this. This is something different. And on this, we are running that 265/70/17 right there. Boom. So I'm gonna say this is gonna probably be around an 8.5 inch wide wheel. I don't know for sure because we didn't install the wheels or the tires. It already came here with that. You will notice that already they had done some trimming in here as they trimmed the back part of the plastic and the pinch weld, as well as that front bumper. Now, what's really nice with that Heim in there, as you see, you can adjust that to get a little bit more caster out of it if you would like to do that. So that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the front, and I guess we're heading to the back. Let's go. So in the back, we're keeping it really simple. It's a 2-inch block in the rear with new U-bolts. Also, a set of Fox shocks. I mean, talk about as simple could be. And what's nice about the back, you don't need to really do a lot of trimming. Sometimes I'd come in here, you can see the tire kind of clearanced itself with this, with the old lift that was on there. But guys, talk about simple. If you're thinking about lifting your 2-wheel drive Transit, this is definitely a great way to do it. I think that's all I got. What else do you guys want to know about this Transit? Oh, I got one other thing to show you up on the front bumper. Let's go. Another thing that I did notice on the front of this, which is pretty cool, is this just simple light bar mount on there. You know, sometimes these Ford Transit bumpers get so giant and crazy that I think simple sometimes is just better. So just, you know, wanted to show you something else that is available out there for these Transits. And no, us at Weldtech Designs, we don't make that. So anyways, guys, what we did make is the awesome 5-inch Trail Runner kit on this particular Ford Transit. This is a 2-wheel drive Transit, and your big question may be, well, do you make an all-wheel drive Transit lift? And yes, we do. Unfortunately, it's only going to be 2 inches, and that is going to be called our altitude kit. I'll put links to all these things down below in the description. I know that you've been here for a little bit, you found a little bit of information, and you want to come hang out with me again. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hey, while you're here, give this video a big thumbs up. And otherwise, I'm Jeremy from Weldtech Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.